pahinga mo, relax, and let's continue to be inspired by the journey of empowered families across the Caraga region. Once again, this is Abunda 2025, acknowledging beneficiaries, unwavering narratives, dedication, and achievements.
And now, the proud moment we've all been waiting for, the Honorary Walk.
This is a symbolic parade of honor, a graceful entrance of our Forbes achievers across the Caraga region.
Each step they take is a story of perseverance, empowerment, and dedication, a reflection of how far the Forbes journey has come.
Ladies and gentlemen, let us welcome with heartfelt applause the distinguished participants of the Abunda 2025 Honorary Walk.
Representing academic excellence and the relentless pursuit of dreams, these top-notchers embody the transformative power of education and